Hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be talking about some of the hidden features and some of the cool features and some of the useful features of Zerodha Kite 3. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end, and these tricks and tips will be helpful for you, and these are the new features will be helpful for you for your trading purpose. Okay, so make sure you watch this video till the end. I'll be sharing you a lot of the features what you might not be using in your Kite 3 Zerodha. Okay, so I'll be talking about a lot of things in this, so make sure you watch this video till the end, and this will be helpful for your trading purpose. Okay, and also if you're new to our channel, kindly go inside my channel and watch all the trading videos. It may be helpful for your trading purpose, and make sure you subscribe to my channel for more trading knowledge education tips like this. Okay, and also if you're new to a market, or if you're unable to make money constantly in the stock market, or if you're having loss and if you want to recover the loss, I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. So all the details are in the blogspot, that is tradingshero.blogspot.in. This link will be given in the description below of this video. You guys can visit this blogspot link to know the details about my trading course what I provide. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. If you're taking both the course, you're getting discount in the price also. Here you can see feedback and earning proof by my client after taking the course. So before that, I want to tell you guys what are the things you will be able to learn after you join my course. So after you join my course, you'll be able to earn constantly in the stock market trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy unique strategies. No indicators is required for this strategy. I'll be teaching you a good timing and discipline what is required. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. You can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of 10,000 rupees. I'll be teaching you a good money management system, a risk-free trading system, and also as I said you, our course prices are less and reasonably priced. Okay, so here is our earning proof, guys. So you can click the link and you can see all the latest earning proof. A lot of my client has won the Zerodha 60 days challenge also. You can see all of these things displayed. And also one of my client who has joined my course made a constant profit for 5 months and he's bought his own new car. Even that message has been displayed. So there are a lot of ledger proof and a lot of certificates won by my clients. So this is a message from my client who had joined my course and he has made it trading as his own career and making money constantly in the stock market. Even that message has been displayed. So you can go inside the earning proof link and go to the last of this page and see all the latest earning proof with the ledger. Okay, so watch all of these things. If you want to be a part of it to earn constantly in stock market, you can definitely join us. So many people has joined my course and now they're making money constantly in the market. Okay, so this is a feedback messages from my client after taking the course. So you can go through all of these things, and if you're interested to join me, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen and get in touch with me to take the course and learn how to make money constantly in the stock market and also be a part of consistent profitable trading group. So as you can see, a lot of people got into my trading program and now they're constantly making money and now they're profitable. Okay, so guys, now with being said that, I'll be teaching you some of the hidden features, tricks, tips of Zerodha Kite 3. Okay, so the first thing comes is, guys, this is just a normal thing. So the display photo, so you can see a lot of people put the display photo here. That is very simple. You can go to it, go and click on your ID what it shows and go to my profile, and here you get an option to put a photo. So click on edit photo, click on upload. So if you click on upload, there you can fill in your display photo whatever you needed. Okay, so that will show up here. Okay, for example, let me you can just check this out in your profile itself. Okay, you can just click on this and go to your my profile and click on edit photo. You'll get an option to upload, so I'll click on upload and that will help you to put the photo here. Okay, so that's a one trick, and I'll be teaching you the second trick, which is very important if you're trading. So as you can see at the left top, you can see Nifty and Sensex chat, which is loaded by default. If you click on it, the chat will load up of Nifty, sorry, of Sensex. If you click on Nifty 50, it will open the chat of Nifty 50. So that's how it works. So now I'll be teaching you other trick. You can customize this too. You can place whatever the stock you want here. For example, click on any of the stock watch in your watch list. Go click on these three dots, that is more option. Click on it and click on pin 1. And if you want other one, click on more and click on pin 2. So here you can see Vedanta and Tata Motors. I have pinned it to my top left of the screen. So click on that, so that time the chat will open and this will help you to see the price. Okay, so what happens is you can see the price here only. You don't need to search again and again. If you are having a lot of watch list, you can look right here for the price. Okay, and I'll tell you a lot of features like that. So you just click on it and you will also get an option called as stock infos. So this will tell you all the stock info of the current stock what you want, like 52 weeks high, 52 weeks low. All the things will be, it will be giving the information. So click on more, again you'll see a thing as set alert. So this is a set alert to get an alert for some certain price. Okay, for example, if you want a price, if you want alert for the price about 230. So for example, let's say the Vedanta is trading at 224. If you want to alert at 230 rupees, you can set it. Okay, you can just click on it and set the alert. And also you can create algo. If you're algo trader, that will help you a lot. You can create a algo for it. Okay, so these are the few little tricks. And also one, there are a lot of things like this, so let me explain you all of the things. You guys get this buy and sell order window, right? For example, if you want to buy or something, so this is a window what you get it. Actually, this is a floatable pop out. So for example, if you're not comfortable at placing the order here, you can actually float it wherever you want. Okay, so just click on it and you can move wherever you want this screen. Okay, so this is a very cool feature. You can actually move it if you want, left, right, up, down, wherever you want, you can just move it out. Okay, and the other feature is I actually made a video on it about multiple chats, so I'll be adding in this video also. That is, you get a multiple chat. Okay, that is, you can watch 2 chats or 4 chats at a time. Okay, so you can just click on 4 chats, for example, and load what are the stock you want. So these are the stock in your watch list. The list will load up here. So you can select whatever you want and click on done. So all the 4 chats will open here in the window. Okay, so this is a multiple chat window. So this is how it works. Okay, and also coming to this part, we have, so as I said you this, and you also get a pop-up chat. So before in Zerodha we have to open a chat and then click on this option to get the full screen view of the chat, but now you don't have to do that. Just go to the stock, click on the more option and click on pop-out chat, and if you click that, the pop-out chat will automatically open from there. So you don't need to open the chat again here and click this button, so no need of popping out like that. So it will definitely open like that with the immediate click only. And I also have little more things to share. Okay, so that is here it is. So you have something called as repeat orders. For example, if you place one of our order, and in your order book it shows, you can click on this 3 dots button. For if it if it gets rejected and if you want to repeat the order again, you can just click that button and click on repeat the order. The same order will get repeated again. Okay, so this is a very cool feature which is very good. And the next one is multiple position. If you want to close a multiple position, you can just click on, just tick all these things, like whatever the position you want to exit, just tick them and click on exit position in your position tab, so you can exit it directly like that. Okay, you can select whatever you want, you can just tick mark it and exit the positions. So one more thing is search. So guys, in position or in an order book, you get an example like this. For you can search the stock. Okay, for example, if you're having a lot of stocks in your order book and if you want to exit something, you'll get a search option there. You can go to search option and type the stock name, or okay, if you type the stock name, only that too will get highlighted. From there you can modify your order or exit the order, or whatever you want to do you can do with the order. So these are the very hidden features what many of the people don't know, so I thought of making video on it. So hope this video was helpful for you guys. Hope you like this trick. So if you guys like this trick, make sure you subscribe to my channel and also like this video, and share this video with your friends. Okay, so thank you guys for watching this video. Have a good day and I'll see you in the next one.